In this quick video, I'll show you how to fix if something went wrong while generating your image error in ChatGPT. This error usually happens when ChatGPT's image generation tools, powered by dall-e, is temporarily down or when your browser or network interrupts the request. Here's what you can do to fix that fast. First, refresh your ChatGPT page and try again. Sometimes it's just a temporary glitch. If that doesn't work, log out and log back into your OpenAI account. This resets your session and often clears the issue. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies or open ChatGPT in incognito mode to rule out any browser conflict. Also, check your internet connection. Slow or unstable connections can cause that something went wrong error mid-generation. If you're still seeing it, try using a different browser like Chrome or Edge or switch devices. And finally, if the issue persists, go to status.openai.com to check if there's an outage of OpenAI's side. Sometimes it's not your fault, it's just the servers acting up. So that's it. Quick recap, refresh, relog in, clear cache, switch browser, and check OpenAI's status. One of those will usually fix. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more quick ChatGPT tips. Thanks for watching!